When you are connected on a call, you can perform an attended or introduced transfer to another party. To initiate an attended transfer, touch the Transfer soft key. This will automatically place the original caller on hold. You can then either select a pre-programmed button for the person you would like to transfer to, or use the dial pad to enter the number you would like to transfer to. Then touch the Dial soft key. When the person answers, you can introduce the call. Then to complete the transfer and connect the parties, select the Transfer soft key. You will see the calls disappear from your phone when the two parties are connected. If you have started a transfer and the second party does not answer, touch the Cancel soft key to cancel the transfer. Then you can touch the flashing held line key, and you will be reconnected with the original caller. Or if you have started a transfer and the person has answered but does not wish to accept the transfer, you can touch the Drop soft key to disconnect the call to the second party. You can touch the flashing held line key and you will be reconnected with the original caller.